how to turn off active status on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off active status on Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the menu section, just tap on settings. Now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as active status. So just tap on it. So here, as of right now, I have already turned off active status, but if you have turned on, you can just toggle this option off to turn off the active status. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.